Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special treat for you all, an unboxing and product review of the Jello Jello Fit-Me tips. I will be sure to provide a link to all products in the description box. Plus, stay tuned to the end for a nail art creation. Let's go ahead and dive right in.
And leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
I recently got my hands on the Jello Jello Fit-Me tips along with the 10 ml bottle of Jello Kill-Off Base, 10 ml bottle of Jello Top Gel, and 10 ml bottle of the Jello Top Gel. The Jello Fit-Me tip come packaged in a clear container with 360 pieces and 12 sizes. I received the Coffin and Almond tip, and they were pretty flexible. I wasn't sure if that was going to be a good or bad thing. The consistency of the gel was thick in my opinion, but the tips were still nice, and I did encounter some issues during nail application.
Every day, 24/7, you call my name, and I will come running. Yeah, every day, 24/7. Yeah, every day, I will come running, babe.
Which brings me to the pros. First off, the tips are nice, and I love the Coffin and Almond shape. I like the fact that they provide a variety of tips, giving you plenty of options to choose from.
You broke my chains and released me, and days turned into nights.
However, there were downsides that I experienced. The application process was a bit confusing. I was not sure if I needed to use all the accompanying products or if one was enough. I had watched several nail tutorials. It appeared that they were using the Kill-Off Base gel as also the method to glue the tips. So that's where my confusion came in. I faced issues with the nails lifting and not being as sturdy as I hoped. I lost 3 tips during the application process and had to replace them before moving on to the nail creation. Overall, the tips are beautiful, and I do feel they are a little pricey considering the quality and sturdiness of the nails. Waking up the next morning to find one of the nails had come off was disappointing, and I'm still not sure how I managed to do that.
Carried all the weight on my shoulder, had me going ever once I told you no, told you no. Kept going like a marching soldier, play my part, boy, I had to hold you down, hold it down. When the tidal waves come around and wipe off what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown? When the world is everything to break us up for good, would you hang around? When all we got right now, tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to stop talking now to let you sit back and relax while watching the application and nail creation.
Pero no no es cierto. Solo lo haces pa' que yo esté contento. La chispa de la llama se apagó lento. Cambiamos mentiras por juramentos. Sabía todo de ella, pero ahora ya no lo sé. Siempre ha estado tan bella, pero has cambiado, mujer.
When the tidal waves come around and wipe up what we built, would you fight for love, or would you back down and let our hope drown?
Siento que ya no te tengo, o al menos yo no tu amor. No.
Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us.
Through the night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling for you. Through the night and day, I keep on falling for you. I keep on falling. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah. Tell me how you feel about us. Yeah, yeah.
Cuando esas caricias tocaban toda tu piel. Tell me how you feel about us. Tell me how you feel about us.
Love's for beginners, ain't no winners. It slips through your fingers. I ain't telling no lies. So F all the drama, F the karma. Just do what you wanna. Promise you got time. Be you and keep looking forward. Don't you look backwards and you'll be fine. Come through and say what you need to. Don't let them put you down. Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being no one's mama, yeah, treat yourself right. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Come get your future. Know you wanna, she'll never betray ya. She ain't telling no lies. So break the glass ceiling, find your meaning, make truth out of dreaming. Yeah, baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being no one's mama, yeah, treat yourself right. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Be you and keep looking forward. Don't you look backwards and you'll be fine. Come through and say what you need to. Don't let them put you down. Baby, let me tell you what it feels like. Being independent, no trouble inside. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life. Let me tell you what it feels like. Being no one's mama, yeah, treat yourself right. It's like magic, living like a pet. 'Cause baby, you deserve the best in life.
Summer love. Oh, I wish I could rewind it. Only us. Oh, I left you when we're blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left
hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you all for watching this unboxing and review of the Jello Jello Fit-Me tips. Despite some hiccups, I had a fun time experimenting with these products and even more fun doing my recreation of the nail art design. I was hoping for the best, but I still enjoyed it.
The city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and be sure to leave a comment. I would appreciate hearing others' experience with using these products and their outcomes. Until then, see you on the next video.
Yeah.